Cooking Ina Siargao. Today I am going to share the very classic recipe in the Philippines. We call this recipe pork with bagoong or pork with shrimp paste. In Philippines, we have a saying in this recipe na mapadami ka ng kanin. You can eat a lot of rice in this recipe. I just realized that I'm going to make this recipe because it's very long time that I didn't eat this recipe. And I hope you join with me, mga cooking ina. Let's make Binagoongang Baboy or pork with shrimp. Our ingredients are pork. I have pork. This is a flesh curry. It's from the neck of the baboy. This meat is very good, mga cooking ina. Balance the fat and the meat. And of course, we have shrimp because bagoong with binagoongang baboy, so we have bagoong. And we have tomato. I like to put a lot of tomato in my binagoongang baboy. And I have eggplant and chili and onion and pepper, ground black pepper and sugar. We don't need a salt in this recipe because our shrimp paste is very salty. So mga cooking ina, join with me cooking a binagoongang baboy. So now, mga cooking ina, look, our binagoongang baboy is ready for plating. So we're going to plate this, mga cooking ina, look like this. Uy, uy, uy. This smells good. It's true that mapaparami ka ng kanin. You can eat a lot of rice in this bayan, mga cooking ina. So now, mga cooking ina, look, our binagoongang baboy. It's look pretty. Let's try, mga cooking ina. Borscht good. Uy, uy, uy. The saltiness is perfect, mga cooking ina. The tomato with the garlic and onion and shrimp paste, I got the perfect taste, mga cooking ina, for the binagoongang baboy. Very good, mga cooking ina. Now, mga cooking ina, thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making this binagoongang baboy dish. Very classic Filipino food, mga cooking ina. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!